walnut cookies. On Middle East they call it goziyah. This walnut cookies is so easy. You can color it, you can feel with different flavor, and all comes amazing taste. I will let you know the secret to be smooth and crunchy in same times is melting in your mouth. All these details in that video. Please follow till the end, and you can see, you can feel it. Even bonbon ganache, which have 40 video of ganache in my YouTube channel, you can feel all of this. 200 gram butter, 60 gram sugar flour, pinch of vanilla. We mix all together till be creamy. As you see, is shiny and very soft. If you have hand blender, you can use, or you can use mixer. Then 1 egg, pinch of salt. You mix it well. When absorb the egg, you're ready with 2 spoons of oil. The oil make a big difference in the cookies. Then 350 gram of flour, 1 small spoon of cardamom powder, and 1 spoon of baking powder. You mix all together, bring it back to the table. Use your talent. Make the dough very soft, smoothie. After that, you divide the dough for 3 or 4 portions, depending about the color you want. You can make green, red, yellow, any color you would like. And then you make this roll and you cut small each piece like 6 gram. Then it will fit to the machine. This you have to use the machine. Then you have to press 30 seconds, and then you have golden beautiful cookies. You can use it with the green color, red color, whatever color you want. Here I can use it with the pistachio filling. By the way, pistachio cream in the channel, you can watch it, and milk jam or toffee also in the color. You can see all this leftover we make into beautiful cookies. So there is no wastage. You have good recipe, crunchy, amazing. You have pistachio cream in the channel. If you want it, let me know. And then all leftover of the biscuit, I mix it with 2 spoons of lotus or Nutella, whatever you like. And then you roll it when it becomes soft into coconut powder or cacao, whatever you like the flavor. Please let me know your opinion in the video and tell me what you want to learn.